This is the real Tom Rose, and this particular question deals with averages. In particular, we need to keep the average of the left side column and the right side column the same. Now it helps if you understand what the average formula is, and let's write that out real quick. The average formula is equal to the sum of a group of numbers divided by the number of elements that you had in your sum. Now for the left side, so let's do left average is equal to the sum of the left divided by 6, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements on the left. Now the right average will be equal to the sum of the right divided by 6, because there are 6 elements in the right as well. The key takeaway here is that what matters is not exactly the average so much as the sum, because the sum is a component of the average. So if we want to keep the average the same, we really need to keep the sum the same. And this is important because the question is asking us to take these 3 elements, which are circled, and move them into the left column. So if we do that, but we want to keep the averages the same, what that means is that we have to move back from the left to the right column certain numbers to keep the sum the same. To do that, first let's figure out what we took away. We took away a 2, a 12, and a 7. And if you add that up, it's 21. So the original sum was, let's do sum of the right. The original sum, and I'll put original over here, was 2 plus 12 plus 7, the numbers we just did, plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 36. Now, if I want to keep the sum of the right side equal to 36, but I just subtracted 21, it means I need to add back 21. And here in the answer choices, we have options for things we might add back. And I'm simply going to go through and see which one equals 21. So if I take the sum of 3, 7, and 4, that will be 14. And if I do the sum of 4, 7, and 11, that's 22. Close. 11, 3, and 7 is 21. Bingo. That's going to be our answer. Let's sum the others just to be sure. That's 17 and 15. So we can safely eliminate anything which does not sum to 21. And the 3 will move over, will be 11, 3, and 7.